VSK Real Estate Management, your trusted partner in property management. FAQ 1. Question. What exactly does VSK Real Estate Management do? I'm a bit confused about what property management entails. Answer. That's a great question. VSK Real Estate Management takes the day-to-day responsibilities of managing your investment property off your hands. This includes things like finding and screening tenants, collecting rent, handling maintenance and repairs, ensuring legal compliance, and providing you with regular financial updates. Think of us as your partner in maximizing the return on your real estate investment while minimizing the stress for you. 2. Question. I own a few rental properties. How can VSK Real Estate Management save me time? Answer. Time is valuable. VSK Real Estate Management saves your time by handling all the time-consuming tasks associated with property management. This includes advertising vacancies, showing properties to potential tenants, dealing with tenant inquiries and issues, even in the middle of the night, coordinating repairs, and managing the financial aspects. You'll have more time to focus on other priorities. 3. Question. What kind of properties do you manage? Is it just apartments, or do you handle houses and commercial spaces too? Answer. VSK Real Estate Management has experience managing a diverse portfolio of properties. We handle residential properties like apartments, houses, and villas, as well as commercial spaces such as offices and retail units. Please contact us to discuss your specific property needs. 4. Question. How do you find good tenants for my property? Answer. Finding reliable tenants is crucial. At VSK Real Estate Management, we employ a thorough tenant screening process. This typically includes credit checks, background checks, verification of income and employment, and contacting previous landlords. Our goal is to place qualified tenants who will respect your property and fulfill their lease obligations. 5. Question. What happens when something needs to be repaired at my property? How do you handle maintenance? Answer. We have a network of trusted and reliable contractors to handle any necessary repairs and maintenance. When an issue arises, tenants can easily report it through our established channels. We then assess the situation, obtain necessary quotes, and coordinate the repairs efficiently, always keeping you informed. 6. Question. How do you ensure I receive my rent on time? Answer. We have clear and strict rent collection policies in place. We provide tenants with convenient payment options and follow up promptly on any late payments. Our aim is to ensure a consistent and timely flow of rental income for you. 7. Question. How much do your property management services cost? Answer. Our management fees are competitive and depend on various factors, such as the type and size of your property and the scope of services required. We offer transparent pricing and will provide you with a detailed breakdown of our fees during our initial consultation. 8. Question. How often will I receive updates about my property? Answer. Communication is key. VSK Real Estate Management provides regular updates on your property's performance, including financial reports, occupancy status, and any significant maintenance issues. We are also readily available to answer any questions you may have. 9. Question. What legal aspects of property management do you handle? Answer. We stay up to date with relevant property laws and regulations. VSK Real Estate Management ensures that your property is managed in compliance with these laws, including lease agreements, eviction procedures, if necessary, and fair housing practices, protecting you from potential legal issues. 10. Question. Can I access information about my property and its performance online? Answer. Yes. VSK Real Estate Management utilizes technology to provide you with convenient online access to important information about your property. This may include financial statements, lease documents, maintenance logs, and more, allowing you to stay informed anytime, anywhere. 11. Question. How do I get started with VSK Real Estate Management? Answer. Getting started is easy. Contact us today at 9840-336-999 or visit our website at www.vskbusinessconsultant.in to learn more and schedule a consultation to discuss your specific needs and how we can help you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram for more real estate insights and updates. 12. Question. But if I only need help with one specific aspect of property management, like finding a tenant? Answer. While we primarily offer comprehensive property management services, we understand that your needs may vary. Please reach out to us at 9840-336-999 to discuss your specific requirements. We can explore if offering a tailored service for tenant placement or other specific needs is possible. Trust VSK Real Estate Management to handle your property with care and expertise.